Okay, so this is, what is this, 3-6? Is that right?
It's no.
Yeah, it's pages 103 and 104. I think it's 3-6. Let me look. Yeah, it's 3-6. So this is 3-6 in your Envision workbook. So I'm looking at page 104, and I'm looking at number 19 right now. And number 19 says there are 27 students in Mr. Mello's, I guess that's how you say his name, class. Find the total number of pages the students read by the end of November. So then they have a little chart there. It looks like September there was 35 pages each. October there was 38 pages each. November another 35. So, and there's 27 students, so it's going to be 27 multiplied by something. Well, what is that something? Well, let's just total the number of pages here. 35, 38, and 35 again. Well, I'm just going to do some mental math here. 35 and 35, I know that's 70. And then 70 plus another 30 is 100, but I don't want to forget the 8, and so that's 108. So the answer for number 19 will simply be 108 multiplied by 27. And I'll let you guys figure that one out. Number 20, it says each student read 41 pages in December. So how many total pages did students read by the end of December? So, well, there's 27 students, 41, 27, and you multiply those two together. This is easy. All right, how about number 21? I'm looking at number 21 on page 104. Meredith says that 15.17 is greater than 15.8. Because 17 is greater than 8. Okay, Meredith is not thinking too smart. Do you agree? Okay, no, Meredith, you need to go drink some coffee. So 17, because she says 17 is greater than 8. Well, it all has to do with place value. So if we were to look at the place value here and here, and to look at the place value right here and right here, and then the place value right here, which there's no number, and the place value right here. That should tell you something. So here's the ones, and here's the tens. So 15, that doesn't help us any, but then we get to the tenths place, 1/10. And 1 is much smaller than 8. So obviously 15.8 is a larger number. So I can let you phrase that. Don't forget to put down your answer here, however you want to word that. 22, let's look at 22 here. 22, Trudy wants to multiply 66 by 606. Okay, so I'm going to write 606, and I'm going to write 66 here, and she has to multiply that together. She says that all she has to do is find 6 times 606, okay, and then double that number. So whatever number she gets, she'll double it. Well, that doesn't make any sense, because look, if I wrote 606 times 6 and got an answer, and then just doubled those, if I added those together, that'd be like simply 606 times 12. Okay? I'm just adding those two sixes together. That's not correct. It's going to be much smaller than this. You need to do 606 multiplied by 66. And so it's explain why Trudy's method will not give the correct answer. And so you could write because Trudy needs to wake up
And drink some coffee.
and smell the coffee. And then, so I'm going to draw my coffee cup here. And here's my handle. And I'll draw, do I have brown? I don't think I have a brown color. Oh, well, it's kind of grayish. And I have a green coffee cup here. And here's my handle. So, and here's the coffee aroma waking Trudy up. So no, actually, I would mark it wrong if you really put that down. So,
I just put that.
I know, I was just teasing and should have known better. Oh well, huh? So, because 6 plus 6 is 12, not 66. Okay? That's actually a little more accurate of an answer. Okay, 23. Let me move this up. All right, so 23, it says, Maria needs a trombone for only 12 months. All right, 12 months, okay, so for 1 year. Renting the trombone costs $34 per month. Okay, so that's going to be 34 times 12. Okay. And she can buy the trombone for $495. So $495. And should she buy or rent the trombone? So they want to know which is cheaper. So let's do 12 times 34. 12 times, or 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. And then 1 times 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So 4 and 3. Here's my placeholder. So 8. That becomes 10. Carry the 1. $408. If she was to rent it for 12 months, that's the cost. Versus purchasing it, which is $495, quite a bit more. So obviously she'd be better off renting. What do we got here? One left, number 24. Let me move this up a little bit. We're almost done. Number 24. It says, another music store rents the trombones for $30 per month. Plus a yearly fee of $48. Okay, so here's this other store. It's 30 times 12. Okay. And then whatever your answer is, you're going to add $48. You're going to add $48 to that cost. And they're asking which is a better deal. Should she change her rental plan? Because we decided that it was cheaper for her to rent. So do 12 times 30 and then add $48. And see what would be a better cost for her. And can I draw a trombone here? Let me see here if I could draw a trombone. Let's see here. I think I could draw a trombone, maybe not. Oh, that's an awful looking trombone. Yeah, that's about the best I can do.
I don't think that's a trombone.
Well, kind of.
It's a tuba.
Is that a tuba?
Yeah, that's a tuba.
That's more of a tuba? Okay, so much for my artistic ability. Okay.
It looks good though.
It looks, yeah, I mean, hey, considering I always failed art, I think my ability has gotten better as I've gotten older.
Well, then don't be an art teacher.
Yeah, no, I don't want to be an art teacher.
Oh God.
Of course, everybody would get A's because they're all better than me. All my students. All right, that's it. I'll let you guys do 25 on your own. I'm gonna end this.